Number 5 is WEEFUN Mini 3D Printer. Are you looking for a user-friendly and affordable 3D printer for beginners? Then the WEEFUN Mini 3D Printer is the perfect choice for you. This fully assembled printer is easy to operate straight out of the box, with a 2.4-inch LCD and a sample PLA filament roll included. The printer also has a micro SD card containing multiple model files, so you can start printing immediately. One-touch auto bed leveling eliminates manual adjustments, making printing more precise and straightforward for beginners and children. The WEEFUN Mini 3D printer also boasts high-precision printing with its dual Z-axis and dual Y-axis rails design, further improving stability and printing quality. It is compatible with PLA, PLA Pro, and TPU filaments. Its compact design and lightweight construction make it perfect for home use, school classrooms, and offices. The WEEFUN Mini 3D printer is an excellent choice for anyone new to 3D printing. It's easy to use, precise, and affordable, making it an excellent option for beginners who want to experiment with 3D printing without breaking the bank. So if you buy the Mini 3D printer, check the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printers for beginners. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.